Yeah, what's up YouTube? So I'm out here doing leaves. Just wanted to show you guys I got that BR600 Stihl. This is the first time I started it. It's pretty cold. I got left it in the truck last night. So let's see how this thing fires up for a cold start. You can tell it's warm. It's not warm. This is the exhaust. Hadn't been ran. Pumped a couple times. Now, the reason I feel I buy good equipment is for moments like this that it starts. So if it don't start, I'll be pretty mad. 3 or 4 pulls. That's why I spend the extra money for Stihl. Hold on. Let's try this one while we're already at it. I feel we need the 3 to 4 pull rule. If we don't start at 4 pulls, it ain't Stihl. Pump it, prime it. That's why I paid a little extra money, a lot of extra money for good equipment. It ain't really gotta have the best equipment, because you can do with Walmart stuff and Lowe's stuff, you're gonna get the job done. But I feel when you pay that extra buck, you get that extra bang. So this don't mean you need to go buy all expensive equipment. It just means when you get to that level where you can buy nicer equipment, do it. I don't know if you hear me, kick it off my foot. So what I'm saying is, just because they have nice equipment out there, don't mean you got to buy the nice equipment. But if you get to the level, the bracket where you can, it's not going to hurt you, go buy that equipment. It's only going to be helpful for you. So I'm out of here. I got to get this leaf jobs done. As you can see, it's wet, it's cold, and it's ready for me to go. I'll talk to you later. Triple Lawn Care.